Here are the most important tips when doing wet sanding. First, you always sand to improve. This has to be your main goal. You have to remember that paint is thinner nowadays, and you want to improve the paint's condition and not the other way around. Better to start with 1500 sandpaper and move up to make your polishing process faster. Don't rush. Wet sanding requires patience, lots of patience, and a good knowledge and understanding of paint systems. If you rush, you will create sand grooves, and some scratches will come back after the polishing oils are evaporated. So go slow, take your time, and let the sandpaper do its job. Good quality sanding blocks and sandpaper helps a lot. Avoid using your palm as it's uneven and it won't provide a good finish. Good sandpaper will last longer and provide a better feedback on the grit. A proper sanding block will be a night and day difference. And last, leave fear away from the equation. Some paint is meant to be burned. No matter how experienced you are, some paints are just too thin to work with. But if you add fear into your process, all doubts will control your thoughts and process, and then accidents will happen. Lose fear, but do not lose respect of the process. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and follow for more tips.